Horses out, we have Sophia's Fortune, pass to begin, moving a party out, so now Senor Elijah Manalang, Real Heaven, Mr. Lindros, and Princess Adarna is the early trailer. Sophia's Fortune and Senor Elijah fighting it out for the lead. Three lengths away in third, Manalang, then followed by Mr. Lindros, Real Heaven, and Princess Adarna. Sophia's Fortune by about 4 lengths this time. And in second is Manalang alongside Senor Elijah. Mr. Lindros moving up by the rail to take fourth, Real Heaven, and Princess Adarna is racing in last. Meanwhile, we have Sophia's Fortune by about 2 lengths. Manalang, Mr. Lindros, and Ariats now is Real Heaven, Senor Elijah, and Princess Adarna. Mr. Lindros takes the lead. Manalang, Real Heaven now moving a party outside. It's now Real Heaven takes the lead. Mr. Lindros is running by the rail. Manalang in the middle last day. Come down at the last 150. Real Heaven takes the lead. Mr. Lindros drives back in second. Manalang is racing in third. But it's still Real Heaven by a length and a half. Mr. Lindros remains in second. Last 50 meters. And it's still Real Heaven, Mr. Lindros, and finally, Real Heaven, Mr. Lindros, Princess Adarna, then comes Manalang.
Yes, it's 6-4-3-1.